Number 8, they're asking you to tell me what this value, and this value represent. Well, this is the first quartile. This is always the third quartile, and this value represents the maximum. First, third, and the maximum, choice 3. And number 9, they ask you what is the slope of a line represented by the equation 2y equals x minus 4. The coefficient of x in this case is 1. They want you to choose that. But remember, you cannot identify slope or y-intercept until y is by itself on either side of the equal sign. So what I have to do to get it by itself is divide both sides by 2. Dividing x by 2, you get x over 2. Dividing 4 by 2, you get 4 over 2. To neaten this up, I'm going to call this 1 over 2x, and then 4 divided by 2 is 2. What is the slope? The slope is the coefficient of x. It is 1/2. Number 10, they want you to find the solution to the system of equations. What I'm going to do is I'm going to multiply the bottom by -2 and then add. So if I multiply this bottom equation, everything by -2, here's the top equation, 2x plus 3y equals 7. That remains unchanged. The bottom one, BTM, is going to be -2x minus 2y equals -6. So when I add these from top to bottom, this is the additive inverse. Those cancel. 3y plus a -2y is y. 7 plus -6 is +1. I'm going to plug it into this equation to find x. X plus 1 equals 3. Subtract 1, you get 2. Your solution is 2, 1. Choice number 2. In number 11, they ask you to find the number of acres for farming after 5 years using a line of best fit. I just sketched this line through the data. Remember, a line of best fit is a line that goes through the center of the data to the to the best of your ability. We do not connect the dots. That is not a line. Okay, so approximately using the 5th year, we're going to take 5 and we're going to go up to the line, and then we're going to go over to the y-axis. So approximately how many acres? Well, it looks like this one is pretty darn close to 2. This is in hundreds, so we'll say 200. Choice 2. When 16x to the third minus 12x squared plus 4x divided by 4x, what we're going to do is take this expression. When you're dividing this trinomial by this monomial, we're going to divide everything by 4x. 16 divided by 4 is 4. X to the third divided by x to the first is x squared. We're going to subtract the exponents. 12 divided by 4 is 3. Subtract the exponents, x to the first. 4x divided by 4x is 1. 4x squared minus 3x plus 1. They want you to circle choice 3, but it's choice 4. Number 13, the width of a rectangle is 4 less than half the length. If L represents length and the width is 4 less than that, we're going to say that this width is represented as L minus 4. It's whatever this value is minus 4. So they said the width is half the length. So the width is L minus 4, half, and then the length is L. So which of these equations is